welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Aga. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 13 travel hacks that every tourist must know to make their travel experience more comfortable and convenient. Traveling can be an incredible adventure, but it can also be quite challenging, especially if you're not prepared. So we've put together a list of travel hacks that will help you to avoid some of the pitfalls and make your journey a smooth one. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time tourist, these tips will help you save money, time, and hassle. So let's get started with it. To be specific, we have prepared the video to be in 4 segments. The first segment, we talk about the hacks that are relevant before you travel. The hacks contained in the second segment are relevant at the airport. The third segment will provide tips that will help you make a smooth travel on the plane, while the final segment talks about hacks that can help you to make your travel seamless when you've gotten to your destination. So let's dive into it. I will use my computer to show you. Before you travel, the first hack we have for you is to plan ahead. It's important to research your destination, book your accommodation, and create a travel plan before you actually travel. This will help you make the most of your time and ensure that you don't miss out on any must-see attractions. Research the local customs, weather, and transportation options in advance. You can even book tickets for popular attractions or activities in advance, which can save you time and money. Our second hack is to pack smart. You don't want to end up lugging around a heavy suitcase filled with unnecessary items. Make a list of everything you need and pack only what is necessary. Consider packing versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Also use packing cubes and compression bags to save space in your luggage. This will help you pack efficiently and leave more space for souvenirs. The hack number 3 is to download essential apps. Downloading essential apps before you travel can help you navigate your way around your destination and communicate with locals. For example, Google Apps can help you find your way around. Google Translate can help you communicate with locals who don't speak your language. And TripAdvisor can help you find the best restaurants, attractions, and hotels. Having these apps on your phone can help you save time and stay organized while on your trip. Now we'll dive into the second section, which is all about the airport. At the airport, the hack number 4 is to bring your own snacks. One of the most significant expenses at the airport is food. The prices are often exorbitant and the choices are limited. Additionally, the food is not always healthy. That is why our 4th hack is to bring your own snacks. Pack some healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, and granola bars in your carry-on bag. You will save money, avoid the temptation to buy unhealthy airport food, and have a snack on hand when hunger strikes. The number 5 hack is to use a lounge. If you have access to an airport lounge, take advantage of it. Lounges offer a comfortable and quiet space to relax. Grab a bite to eat and charge your devices. You can escape the hustle and bustle of the airport and enjoy a few moments of peace before your flight. Many lounges offer complimentary drinks, snacks, and Wi-Fi. If you don't have access to a lounge, you can buy a day pass and use a credit card that offers lounge access. Hack number 6, wear comfortable clothing. Long flights can be uncomfortable, and wearing the wrong clothing can make it worse. Opt for loose-fitting clothes that allow you to move freely. Avoid tight-fitting jeans, dresses or skirts. Flip-up shoes and sandals are a great choice because they are easy to remove for security checks. Compression socks can also help reduce the risk of swelling and blood clots during long flights. We have covered packing and airport hacks to help make your travels smoother. In this category, we'll be discussing some essential tips for making your plane journey comfortable and safe. So let's look at it. When it comes to flying, choosing the right seat is crucial. It will make all the difference in terms of comfort and convenience. So the 7th hack is to choose your seat wisely. Opt for an aisle seat if you need more leg room, or if you want to get up and stretch your legs frequently without disturbing your fellow passengers. On the other hand, if you love scenic views and don't mind being confined to your seat for a while, a window seat is the best choice for you. Our next hack is all about staying hydrated. Hack number 8, hydrate. Drinking enough water during long flights is essential to prevent dehydration and fatigue. So make sure you bring a refillable water bottle with you on the plane. Many airports have water fountains that you can use to fill up your bottle before boarding, and don't be shy about asking the flight attendants to refill your bottle during the flight. Hack number 9, move around. Sitting for long periods can be uncomfortable and even dangerous. Prolonged sitting can increase the risk of blood clots and other health problems. So it's essential you get up and move around the cabin every couple of hours. Take a walk down the aisle, do some light stretches, or just stand up and move your legs for a few minutes. And finally, at your destination, the hack number 10 is to take a walking tour. A walking tour is an excellent way to explore your destination. Learn about its history and culture and get some exercise. You can find walking tours in most cities, either through your hotel or online. These tours are led by local guides who can provide you with insider information and show you some hidden gems you might not find on your own. Walking tours are a great way to explore a new city and familiarize yourself with the area. Hack number 11, use public transportation. Using public transportation such as buses or trains is a cost-effective and efficient way to navigate your way around your destination. Public transportation can save you money on taxis or rental cars, and it's a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Be sure to research the local transportation system before you go, and make sure you know how to get to your destination and back. Familiarizing yourself with the public transportation system will save you time and money during your trip. Hack number 12, talk to locals. One of the best ways to discover the hidden treasures of your destination is by talking to locals. Locals often know the best places to visit, eat, and drink that are off the beaten path. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with locals. Ask for recommendations for the best local restaurants, bars, and attractions. You might be surprised by the insider tips you receive. So be friendly and start talking to the locals. And finally, hack number 13, rest and recharge. While it's tempting to fill your days with sightseeing and activities, it's important to take some time to rest and recharge. Schedule some downtime to relax and enjoy your destination. Taking time to rest and recharge will ensure that you enjoy your trip to the fullest. You can choose to take a nap, relax on the beach, read a book, or even spend some time at a spa. Whatever you choose, make sure it's something that will help you recharge your batteries and be ready for your next adventure. And that concludes our video on the 13 travel hacks that every tourist must know. We hope you found these tips and tricks useful and that they help make your next travel experience more comfortable and convenient. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.